This is the MICJIASD portable blender. It's a personal blender for shakes and smoothies. It's a rechargeable blender. Let's go ahead and open this up. And here's the blender itself. There's the lanyard on the side there, and there's the on-off button, and also a USB port there for charging. And there's the USB cord that comes with it for charging. There's a little wand for cleaning. There's the top, the lid, has a little smiley face on it. There's the fruit strainer there, so you can strain the liquid. That's the blades inside, and here's some instructions that it comes with. We'll turn that over. There's the rest. And there's the lid with a little silicone gasket. I'm going to go ahead and put that back on, and now we'll put the rest of the blender back together. Okay, so let's go ahead and charge this for an hour or so to make sure it's fully charged before we use it. And you'll see that there's an indicator light there showing that it's charging. Okay, so let's take a look at this cleaning wand. So it's kind of an accessory that it came with, which I wasn't expecting, and you just put it together like that and fluff it up, and now you can clean the inside of your blender. That's pretty nice. Okay, so I've prepared some strawberries. I've cut them pretty small because that's recommended for this type of blender. Okay, so I'm just loading it up with my strawberries, and of course I'm going to add some water because it needs some liquid to be able to chop up that fruit really good, to make it into the smoothie that I am looking forward to trying. So let's see how this works. Okay, so I'm adding my water, and let's go ahead and put the lid on. And then, to get it started, we're going to press the button twice. So let's get that in there, press it twice. So if you have any problems with the blender stopping on you, it's generally because the fruit is a little too thick. So you might want to chop up the fruit a little bit more or add more water. And that's something that I had to learn while using this blender. But it works really well. I really like it, and I just make sure I add enough liquid for the fruit, and it really works well. Tastes delicious.